Hello and welcome to another episode of Money Matters Talks, where we try to share information in the fields of personal finance and investment. In the last episode, we spoke about banking system and we received few queries asking us for the ways beyond banking to generate fixed income. So the best option along with banks according to us is investing in bonds. Now let's understand what are bonds. Companies depend on capital for their growth and expansion. Now, capital are of two types, equity and borrowed capital. Bonds is a type of borrowed capital या ब्याज की पूंजी. Now, इसमें कई फीचर्स बैंक एफडी जैसे ही होते हैं, जैसे it has a fixed duration, a fixed rate of interest, with a pre-decided interest payment dates. Now, bonds are widely used by corporates to raise the capital. Bonds are traded in the secondary debt market. Like stock market, there is a debt market where these bonds are listed. Now, some statistics for debt market. It's at least 5 times the size of stock market. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम में ट्रांजैक्शंस होता है यहाँ इन द डेट मार्केट. एज पर द 2019 डेटा, द मनी रेज्ड बाय कॉर्पोरेट्स वाज मोर देन 8.7 लाख crores and that number is only for corporates or companies. Our government also raises money from the debt market and is the largest borrower. It raises more than 14 to 15 lakh crores through the bond market. Recently, Lucknow Municipal Corporation listed their bonds worth rupees 200 crores and Lucknow became the 9th city to have raised municipal bonds. Now, there are two ways to invest in the bond market. One is the wholesale market, which is for big institutions like insurance companies, mutual funds, corporate treasuries, etc. और दूसरा होता है रिटेल, विच इज फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स लाइक यू एंड मी. एंट्री लेवल फॉर होलसेल मार्केट इज 5 करोड़, पर रिटेल मार्केट में हम 1000 रुपए से भी शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत सारे लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं होता. Now, bonds are mainly of two types, unsecured and secured. So, bonds को सिलेक्ट करते समय ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये कितना सिक्योर्ड है. दूसरी बहुत ज़रूरी बात ये देखना कि इन बॉन्ड्स को कौन सी कंपनी इशू कर रही है ना, उस पर भी निर्भर होता है उनकी क्वालिटी एंड सिक्योरिटी. यहां पर ज़रूरत होती है इन डेप्थ स्टडी की, या आप आपके फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर की मदद भी ले सकते हैं. Many investors choose fixed deposit over bonds for two reasons. One is that they don't know about bonds, and two, they assume fixed deposit is a secured investment. Bonds offer interest payouts monthly, quarterly, yearly, and or in a cumulative mode with better returns. This is an advantage for retail investors. Another advantage, unlike in FD, is that no TDS charges on interest generated through listed bonds for any amount. Now, with fixed deposit interest going downwards, bonds stand out to be a reliable option, जिसका फायदा आज तक बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स और इंस्टीट्यूशंस ही उठाते आए हैं. Now it's time you start investing in bonds and take the advantage if you are looking for fixed and safe returns. If you have any queries, do write into us. Your feedback helps us create more such videos on personal finance. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Do like, share and subscribe to Money Matters Talks. Thank you.